Here is a comparison between Perplexity Pro and ChatGPT Plus. As you can see, Perplexity Pro has different or two plans, which is the Pro plan or the Max plan, which the Max plan costs $200 USD per month, and there is a $20 USD per month. For ChatGPT Plus, as you can see in here, the difference on the ChatGPT regular account is that there is an article that you can go ahead and paste, and the ChatGPT Plus is going to read it for you, and it only costs $20 per month. So unlike the Perplexity, it costs $200 per month for their max plan, but here it only costs $20 for you to be able to avail and see all the features it offers on the ChatGPT Plus. Now, here's a table for a concise comparison so that we can see what are the features the best of. First is the Perplexity Pro for the primary use case. It has a real-time research and fast checking that optimizes for summarizing current web. And for ChatGPT Plus, it is conversational and creative AI. For source citation, Perplexity Pro is mandatory and default, which automatically cite all the resources, where on ChatGPT Plus it is optional and contextual. For model access, Perplexity Pro is multimodal access, while ChatGPT Plus is an open AI exclusive for GPT-5 and GPT-4.0. So if you're looking for more research-ready AI, Perplexity Pro is the right one for you. But if you're looking for just a general idea AI, ChatGPT Plus is one.